Hi, kindergarten. It's Mrs. Merritt. Today we're going to do Module 3, Lesson 27. And our objective is I will strategize to compare two separate sets or two different sets. For our warm-up today, we're going to figure out how many fingers we are hiding. So they're going to show us a number of fingers, and we are going to figure out how many are hiding. Okay? So how many fingers do we have on both hands? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 fingers on both hands. How many fingers are hiding in this picture? Look. 1. So let's put up 9 and put up 1. 9 and 1 make 10. Very good. Let's go to our next one. Ooh, they put up 8. How many fingers are hiding this time? 1, 2. Let's have them come out. 1, 2. 8 and 2 is 10. Very good. Now they have 7. Show me 7. How many fingers are hiding? 1, 2, 3. Can you make those 3 come out? 1, 2, 3. So 7 and 3 is 10. We're adding up to 10 today. Can you show me 6? How many fingers are hiding? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you make those come out? 6 and 4 is 10. Show me 5. How many fingers are hiding here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers are hiding. Can you pop those out? So 5 and 5 make 10. Very good. Can you show me 4? How many fingers are hiding? Well, we know this is a hand of 5, so 5 and 1 more is 6. We pop up 1. So pop those out. 4 and 6 make 10. Awesome warm-up. For another quick warm-up, I want you to show me taller and shorter, okay? Which is taller? Is the crayon taller or shorter than the marker? The crayon is shorter than the marker. Very good. If the crayon is shorter than the marker, then the marker is what to the crayon? Taller than the crayon. Look at the ruler and look at the pencil. Is the ruler shorter or taller than the pencil? Show me. The ruler is taller than the pencil. So if the ruler is taller than the pencil is shorter than the ruler. Look at the banana and look at the apple. Is the banana shorter or taller than the apple? The banana is taller than the apple. So if the banana is taller than the apple is what to the banana? Shorter. Look at the giraffe and look at the dog. Is the dog shorter or taller than the giraffe? The dog is shorter than the giraffe. So the giraffe, oh my goodness, did you see my hands? I said taller. The dog is shorter than the giraffe, which is tall. So the giraffe is taller than the dog. Okay, so we're going to do some more comparing. I'm going to roll the dice and get that many cubes, however many it tells me to get. And then we're going to do the same again, and we're going to compare to see which tower is taller, which tower has more, okay? Okay, so my first tower is going to be a tower of 4. 1, 2, oh goodness, 3, 4. Okay, now I need to make another tower, so I'm going to roll the dice again, or the die again. What number is this? It's 6. Can you show me 6 on your hands? Good job, 6. And let's count 6 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which tower is taller? This tower is taller. So, since the cubes are stacked exactly the same way, we can tell that this tower has more. So 6 cubes, our 6 cube tower, has more cubes than our 4 cube tower. Or if we were talking about less, we could say our 4 cube tower is less than our 6 cube tower because 4 is less than 6. Here we go. We're going to do this with pennies now, rows of pennies. And we're going to see which row has more pennies, okay? Does anyone know that number? Show me on your hands. It's 9. Good job. 1, 2, 3. I love how you're counting along with me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's our 9 pennies, a row of 9 pennies. I'm going to actually write that 9 up there. And then what number is this? 4. Very good. So now we're going to grab 4 pennies for our next row. 1, 2, 3, 4. And also write this number here. Which number has fewer pennies? Or which row has fewer pennies? I'm sorry. Our row of 4 has fewer pennies. Good. You can just see that by looking at that because this row ends here and we still have all these pennies in this top row. So what would my sentence be? Would I say 9 is fewer than 4? Or would I say 4 is fewer than 9? If you think I would say 9 is fewer than 4, put your hand on your head. If you think I would say 4 is fewer than 9, put your hand on your belly. If you have your hand on your belly right now, you are correct. 4 is fewer or less than 9. Great job. I think you're ready to do stuff on your own now. So, what we're going to do is I'm going to roll the die with you. I'm going to set up the picture, and then I want you to think about the question I'm asking. We'll come back and talk about it, okay? So here we go. What number is that? 9. So we have to make a tower of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm going to write a 9 down here. So there's 9. Let's roll our die again. What number is that? We just did 9 and 4. Let's do another number. Okay, what number is that? 5. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then we have 5. I want you to figure out which tower is taller. And then I want you to figure out which tower has fewer cubes. Okay? So you're kind of figuring out opposite things. Because the taller cube, or the taller tower would have more cubes. So pause me. Think about how we could put this in a sentence. Which tower is taller? And then put it into a sentence. Which tower has fewer cubes? Go ahead. Okay. So what did we decide? Do we think the tower with 9 cubes is taller? Yes, I agree. Look at my 5 tower stops right here, but I still have all of these to go. So great job. How would I put it into a sentence though? When I talked about fewer, I kind of am trying to trick you a little bit. I want to know how we would say it in a sentence. Would we say 9, our 9 tower is fewer than our 5 cube tower? Or would we say our 5 cube tower is fewer than our 9 cube tower? Right. We're going to say our 5 cube tower is fewer than our 9 cube tower because we need, or we know that 5 is less than 9. We already said our tower with 9 had more and was taller. Great job. I am so proud of how you met your objectives today. We talked about fewer, we talked about more, we also talked about taller and shorter. We did a lot of math vocabulary words, and I was switching your brain all the time. Sometimes I was asking to tell me which had more, sometimes I was asking for fewer, and I asked for different sentences for you to make up. You guys did a great job. That's exactly what you're going to do on your exit ticket today. You're going to be given 2 sets of objects, and you're going to have to listen and hear if I'm asking for you to tell me the tower that has fewer or the group that has more. Sometimes I may ask how many less or how many more. I cannot wait to see those exit tickets because I know you'll do a great job. I hope you have a wonderful day today, and I will see you later.